We out here starting the vlog. We got Marvin's crib, Brandon's car, Marvin's whip. Ooh. Let's go see what the hell these niggas doing.
Hey, 6th gen.
Yep, 6th gen all over again, bro.
Yeah, we bought an Integra less than 2 hours. Sold it. We got it running, then sold it.
Yep, that was quick.
Hammer that bitch.
Alright, hammer.
Nope.
Is it not?
Your nose look like a hammer.
Is it not, bro?
Fuck, man, it's too cold to be doing this.
I don't even know what to do with this shit.
What is that?
I don't know. That shit's spinning.
Yep.
You ain't ready.
You got shit, boy.
Hey, where's our loose on this shit?
Nigga stripped it.
It's probably going straight, bro.
That is loose, ain't it?
Yeah.
Is it? Is it right?
Yeah.
Woo! It's cold as a bitch.
The OG parts.
Oh shit, Marvin, let me cop this.
What? Pop off.
Wait.
Oh, bitch!
No, too small. I'm about to say.
That sign, bro. It hit you?
Yeah.
This could be a 5-minute job.
Bro, where the fuck did it go?
5 minute turn to 20 minute.
I found it.
Right there, right next to his ear.
Favorite ears.
Is there not found it in mine? And then what, go to the hole?
Yep.
No. One more bushing.
No washer?
Wait. I gotta look at it.
Okay, washer? Okay.
No. You right.
Washer? Right?
No, it shouldn't be like that. Yeah, this one.
No washer?
No, nigga, put this one in first.
Why? You need a washer. 'Cause it goes
After?
like this.
Yeah, after.
There's 2 washers.
Why are you gonna put washer on metal? You do bushing first.
No, you do this one. Right?
No, nigga.
So how do you do it?
I don't know. I gotta look.
Very good. Yeah, hey. Wow.
It's really fucking rusty.
Yeah, it's like a washer and a bushing on top. Then you put the bolt on there.
The fucking.
Then you just squeeze it together.
Nigga, you can't lift that bitch though. Get a car bar. Or break the bar.
Use that flathead right there.
Boom! Thanks, bro. You're not gonna pull it up for me? Thanks.
Bro, how the fuck am I supposed to get in there?
Slide the bolt down.
Oh shit. Oh, you fuck.
How you gonna miss it, nigga? I did that shit for you too. Bruh.
Oh shit, can you grab the bushing over there?
Grab this one. I'll grab that one later.
It's on the other side.
Right here. I just use this one. I grab that later. Fucking lazy as hell. I gotta get that phone.
Where you go? I said the other side, fool.
Dang, wash your bushing again.
And then pass me that nut.
It goes bushing then washer.
Throw the nut on his face.
And then what?
Washer and then nut.
Washer.
All over your face, motherfucker.
Oh, stupid.
And then what?
And then tighten that bitch.
I need jack.
For what?
I need another 12. 12. Okay, for what?
I thought it was washer, bushing, then nut. That should look funky.
Ow!
It looked like washer, bushing, right?
Fucking 13, cuz. Motherfucking 13.
Yeah, I think the tie rod is blown too over here.
Huh?
No.
Yep, if the boot is off, then it's shot.
Ah, shit. I'm gonna hide it.
Not my car.
Let me see.
I'm gonna hide it. See?
Well, it's not ripped though.
No, it just pushed off.
Yeah,
Bro, you give me 13 or what?
Oh, my bad.
you're straight. I mean, you could just slide it over and put a zip tie over it.
I ain't got no 13. All my tools got stolen.
Okay. Grab me 13.
I just told you that.
Why you grab me fucking
Oh,
13?
listen, I used it earlier. You need a ratchet or no? Huh?
Why you need one? You already look like one.
Bro, don't do that shit.
I need a 14.
Nigga, what? Oh my god.
Is this for your uncle's car?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh shit, I forgot. Clutch.
Damn, this is dope. Fuck with it.
How you drop manual?
I know, huh?
Is this guy gonna guide me?
Nope. Just gonna look at you. Batito, watch the house, man.
I'm not like Lily, bro.
Huh?
I'm not like Lily, bro.
I felt the bushing on this shifter is really good. You're good on my side.
I'm about to hit my own car. Bro, tell that nigga reverse in.
Huh?
Tell him to reverse in.
Ow.
How you turn it on?
Oh, it should be a power button somewhere.
Where?
Oh,
Oh.
shit. Oh. This shit got subs.
Yeah.
Go crazy.
Howdy.
I'm dead.
I think you got like a 10.
110? Hella dope. Alright, we just got done with one car. Time for another project. Some subs. Hopefully his battery and alternator don't go out like me.
Damn. That thing didn't connect to your speaker.
You got a speaker wire,
Right here. That's the remote wire.
remote wire,
Fuck the remote wire, nigga.
power. Wait, is that power? No, it's not. What is that? Ground?
No, it's power.
Ground
Power?
is right there.
All the ground ones right there.
Just amp wires.
Oh, yeah, you for real don't have any wires to the speaker.
Don't worry. I got it. Don't worry.
Just follow the fog light wires. Well, I took them out my way.
What the fuck is that? Oh shit. I don't know. Hey, you need me light or you want me? The phone here, bitch.
I'll show you.
Woo, cold as hell. I'm about to sit in the car. Fuck this. For real.
I need some chopstick.
Chopsticks? What?
This shit won't go through, cuz.
Eat that shit.
Wow, short round. I need this type of filter.
Bro, try to this way.
How?
You ready to go, bro? Yeah. Alright. Be fun to head out, guys.
Alright, yeah.
Later. Fun to go dak. Fun to eat.
I want to say.
Yep, I'm gonna trip and fall. Later. Wrong keys.
Freezer in there.
It's like a freezer. That's how it feels like in the cooler, bro. Alright, bro. I gotta find all my keys. Oh. Found mine. Key for the car. I'm gonna be on smoke. Watch this.
Yeah, I was about to say, man.
You already know where we at. Blank restaurant. Head ass.
Starbucks.
Nope. Thai flavors, yo. Starbucks. Whoa.
What?
You guys moved the table?
No, the clocks are gone.
The what?
The clocks are gone.
Oh.
Ocean.